Hey guys, I am at Perfect. Still on the hunt for a seeded watermelon, so we'll see what I can find here. Well, okay. Well, that was a flop. I really thought my organic grocery stores would have one. So now I'm not sure where to go. Watch it like Walmart have one. I guess I'll go to Walmart next. All right, on to place number 2. My favorite place in the whole wide world. Said no Anderson ever. Seedless. Well, that was a flop too. Second place I've looked today, third place total, fail. I'll just probably end up caving and getting a seedless watermelon, but I would really like to try my hardest to avoid that. First of all, they taste better, I think, in my personal opinion, with seeds in them, because I mean, that's how God made them, first of all, with seeds. And then second of all, they're healthier, because think about what they have to do to the watermelon to get the seeds out. That's unnatural. So it's just something I'm ranting and raving about. You can ignore me. I definitely don't judge you if you just buy the seeded ones, because, well, that's apparently all you can have now. All the seeded watermelon have died. Death to the watermelon. Times ain't like they used to be, that's for sure. So anyway, I'm gonna look at Target and Publix, and if they don't have one, then I'll just make Publix be my last stop. I'll just buy a seedless watermelon. That's okay. I found one, seedless, but whatever. Choose your battles. I want a watermelon.
The open road with the beautiful trees. This is one of Anna's favorite drives, simply because the trees hang over the road and it looks beautiful. And it kind of reminds you of being in the Smokies. And it is so nice. Of course, it kind of gets wide here. We're gonna go to Oak Mountain. Hey, you know what? I haven't even said hey to you guys today. It's been such a busy day. How are you guys doing today? How's your family? How's your mother? Good. Good, good. We're going to Oak Mountain because they have fireworks tonight. We're not gonna go hiking, although I would love to go hiking at some point at Oak Mountain. And we got some food, we got some blankets, we got some lemonade, we got even more lemonade, we got some games, we got everything. We're just gonna have a blast. So hope you guys are ready. Anyway, we're almost at Oak Mountain. Yay! Oh, cop.
Hello, cop. If you can get a ticket for texting, you can get a ticket for vlogging while driving.
Woohoo! Fireworks!
Fireworks! July 3rd. 4 years ago, today we had our first date.
Oh, 4 years ago today, guys.
Yep.
How amazing is that? I sucked it up too.
No, it's okay.
It wasn't terrible, but it just wasn't as memorable as the second date was. We are at Oak Mountain, and we are getting ready to watch fireworks in 2 hours from now. They are going to be shooting over there at the dam. You can see it over there. And so we'll be looking up there for the fireworks. As for now, we're just trying to sit and enjoy this weird DJ. The DJ is so odd. I think he may be drunk. Maybe not, I don't know, but he's just very odd, some of the things he's been saying. So, some bad news. I just walked over to where the DJ is, where the music's coming from, and I'm telling you at the same time I'm telling them. We had a speaker set up on this side. Someone walked over, tipped the whole thing in the water.
The whole thing?
Tipped the whole thing in the water.
Who did it?
I don't know, but he was very livid, using a lot of language that I don't like. Very livid. Poor guy. That sucks, because that stuff's expensive.
So he doesn't know who did it?
No. He kept calling them by a name, but I'm sure that wasn't their name.
Oh. You're glowing.
Glowing. You have to glow. I mean, it's 4th of July. It's all about glowing and freedom and barbecue.
It's the 3rd of July.
Oh, that's true. Right, it's the 3rd of July.
RJJ keeps reminding us that it's the 3rd of July. Now we're in a disco club.
It's the 4th of July than we were yesterday.
That's true. You're glowing.
Well, hello. Yes, I am glowing. I like to glow. I have a glowing personality.
You, with it on your head, you kind of look Jewish.
Jewish?
This is your yarmulke.
Ah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Yeah.
You're really close.
I know. We're going to.
I'm proud to be an American, where at least I can glow on the 3rd. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, gave that right to me, and I proudly stand next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Happy 4th, YouTube. I hope you have a great, patriotic, and safe day. Be an American.
4, 3, 2, 1.
God bless America. And God bless you too. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Hug.
Hug.